Hey there, food fans! Welcome to another delicious journey. Did you know that a jar of Nutella is sold every 2.5 seconds somewhere in the world? That's an incredible amount of Nutella being enjoyed by people from all walks of life every single day. This chocolate hazelnut spread has captured taste buds across the globe. Whether it's spread on toast, drizzled over pancakes, or simply enjoyed by the spoonful, Nutella has become a beloved treat for many. From its humble beginnings in Italy, Nutella has become a breakfast staple, a dessert topping, and a beloved snack for millions. It's not just a spread, it's a part of our culinary culture. But have you ever wondered how this creamy, dreamy spread is made? What goes into creating that perfect blend of flavors and textures that we all love? Join me as we take a peek inside the Nutella factory and uncover the sweet secrets behind its irresistible flavor. We'll explore the meticulous process that ensures every jar of Nutella meets the highest standards of quality. We're about to embark on a journey that involves carefully selected ingredients, precise processes, and a passion for creating a taste that has captivated generations. From the finest hazelnuts to the richest cocoa, every component plays a crucial role. Get ready to discover the magic that transforms simple components like hazelnuts, cocoa, and sugar into the iconic spread we know and love. It's a fascinating process that combines tradition, innovation, and a whole lot of love for chocolate. Nutella's success story begins with a handful of simple yet carefully chosen ingredients. These ingredients are meticulously selected to ensure the highest quality and the most delightful taste experience. Each component is sourced from specific regions known for their excellence, contributing to Nutella's unique and beloved flavor profile. Hazelnuts, the stars of the show, bring their distinctive flavor and creamy texture. These nuts are harvested from the best hazelnut orchards, primarily in Turkey, which is renowned for producing the finest hazelnuts in the world. Once harvested, the hazelnuts undergo a careful roasting process that enhances their natural flavors and gives Nutella its signature taste. Cocoa, sourced from the finest beans, adds a rich, chocolatey depth. The cocoa beans are selected from regions like West Africa and South America, where the climate and soil conditions are perfect for growing high-quality cocoa. These beans are then processed to extract the purest cocoa, which is essential for achieving the deep, indulgent chocolate flavor that Nutella is known for. Sugar provides sweetness and binds the ingredients together. The sugar used in Nutella is carefully refined to ensure it blends seamlessly with the other ingredients, creating a smooth and consistent texture. This sweetness is perfectly balanced, enhancing the flavors of the hazelnuts and cocoa without overpowering them. And finally, palm oil contributes to Nutella's smooth and spreadable consistency. The palm oil is sourced sustainably, ensuring that it meets high environmental and ethical standards. This ingredient is crucial for achieving the creamy texture that makes Nutella so easy to spread on bread, pancakes, and other treats. The key lies in the quality and proportions of these ingredients, a closely guarded secret that has remained largely unchanged since Nutella's inception. The precise measurements and the way these ingredients are combined are what set Nutella apart from other spreads. This meticulous process ensures that every jar of Nutella delivers the same delightful experience. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating the harmonious blend of flavors and textures that defines Nutella. The blending process is carefully monitored to ensure that the final product is perfectly smooth and creamy, with no lumps or inconsistencies. This attention to detail is what makes Nutella a favorite among chocolate and hazelnut lovers around the world. From the earthy aroma of roasted hazelnuts to the bittersweet notes of cocoa, every element contributes to the symphony of taste that explodes on your palate with every bite. Nutella is more than just a spread, it's a carefully crafted experience that brings joy to breakfast tables and snack times across the globe. Each spoonful is a testament to the dedication and passion that goes into making this beloved treat. Our journey begins with the heart of Nutella hazelnuts. Nutella sources its hazelnuts from various regions around the world, each known for producing high-quality nuts with unique flavor profiles. Upon arrival at the factory, these hazelnuts undergo a rigorous selection process. Only the finest, blemish-free nuts make the cut, ensuring that every jar of Nutella meets the highest standards of quality. Once selected, the hazelnuts are gently roasted to perfection. The roasting process is crucial, as it develops the nuts' natural oils and brings out their intense, toasty flavor. The aroma of roasted hazelnuts fills the factory air, a tantalizing preview of the deliciousness to come. Next, we move on to another crucial ingredient: cocoa. Nutella uses only the finest cocoa beans, primarily sourced from West Africa. These beans are known for their rich flavor and intense aroma. Upon arrival at the factory, the cocoa beans are carefully inspected and sorted to ensure they meet Nutella's strict quality standards. The selected cocoa beans are then roasted to perfection, a process that transforms their flavor profile and unlocks their characteristic chocolatey notes. The roasted beans are then ground into a fine cocoa powder, ready to blend with the other ingredients and contribute to Nutella's irresistible flavor. Section 5. A Symphony of Flavors. The Art of Mixing Nutella. Now comes the exciting part: mixing the ingredients. The precise proportions and sequence in which each ingredient is added are closely guarded secrets. However, we can tell you that the process involves combining the roasted hazelnuts, cocoa powder, sugar, and palm oil in massive state-of-the-art mixing tanks. The ingredients are blended together until they form a smooth, homogeneous paste. The mixing process is crucial for ensuring that the flavors are evenly distributed and that the final product has the desired texture, spreadable, yet not runny. Section 6. Smoothness perfected, the refining process. After mixing, the Nutella undergoes a refining process to achieve its signature velvety texture. This involves passing the Nutella paste through a series of rollers that grind down any remaining hazelnut particles into a fine, smooth paste. The refining process is what gives Nutella its luxurious mouthfeel, allowing it to glide effortlessly onto bread, crackers, or straight off the spoon. The refining process is a delicate balance. Over-refining can result in a Nutella that's too runny, while under-refining can leave it gritty. Nutella's technicians carefully monitor the process to ensure that the final product has the perfect texture, smooth, yet with a hint of nutty texture. Section 7. Spreading the joy packaging Nutella to perfection. Once the Nutella has been refined, it's ready to be packaged and shipped to eager consumers worldwide. The packaging process is highly automated, ensuring that each jar is filled to the correct weight and sealed airtight to preserve freshness. The iconic Nutella jars with their distinctive shape and label are instantly recognizable around the world. Once filled, the jars are labeled, capped, and packed into boxes, ready to begin their journey to supermarket shelves and breakfast tables around the globe. Section 8. Quality Assurance, maintaining Nutella's signature taste. Throughout the entire production process, from selecting the ingredients to packaging the final product, Nutella maintains rigorous quality control measures. Samples are taken at every stage and tested for taste, texture, aroma, and appearance to ensure that every jar of Nutella meets the brand's high standards. Nutella is also constantly innovating to improve its production processes and maintain the consistency and quality of its product. From sourcing sustainable ingredients to developing new technologies for roasting and grinding, Nutella is committed to delivering a product that is both delicious and responsibly made. Section 9. A timeless treat: Nutella's enduring appeal. From its humble beginnings as a post-war treat in Italy, Nutella has grown into a beloved staple in households around the world. Created by Pietro Ferrero in 1946, it was originally called pasta gianduja and was made to stretch the limited supply of cocoa. Nutella has become a global phenomenon, enjoyed by millions of people every day. Its unique blend of hazelnuts, cocoa, and skim milk has made it a favorite for breakfast, snacks, and even desserts. Its simple yet irresistible combination of flavors, its versatility, and its ability to be paired with a variety of foods make it a pantry essential. Whether spread on toast, drizzled on pancakes, or paired with fresh fruit, Nutella adds a touch of indulgence to any meal. Its ability to evoke feelings of comfort and nostalgia have cemented its place as a beloved food icon. Families gather around the breakfast table, sharing moments of joy and creating memories with Nutella as a centerpiece. Whether you enjoy it on toast, as a pancake topping, or as a filling for crepes, Nutella's rich and creamy texture makes every bite a delight. Some even enjoy it straight from the jar, savoring each spoonful of its luscious goodness. Nutella continues to spread joy and satisfaction across the globe. Its universal appeal transcends cultural boundaries, bringing people together through a shared love of its delightful taste. So next time you open a jar of Nutella, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your table. a journey that began in a small Italian town and has now reached the far corners of the world. Take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your table, a journey that involves careful sourcing, precise production, and a commitment to quality. A journey that involves careful sourcing, precise production, and a passion for creating a taste that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. From the selection of the finest hazelnuts to the meticulous blending of ingredients, every step is taken with care to ensure that each jar of Nutella meets the highest standards of excellence. So, whether you're enjoying it for the first time or the 100th, Nutella's enduring appeal lies in its ability to bring a little bit of happiness to every bite. It's more than just a spread, it's a tradition, a comfort, and a timeless treat that continues to win hearts around the world.